Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the displays of the Poco F3 versus the Realme X8 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy F62 and the M51 device. The Poco F3 is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well, friends. So right now I do have the K40. So both Poco F3 and the Redmi K40, they are in the same kind of display panels. So that's why I was telling as a Poco F3 as well. So here I do have the Realme X7 Pro with me. As you can see, friends, this is the Realme X7 Pro, and here is the Samsung Galaxy M51, but which is also same applicable for the Samsung Galaxy F62 as well, because Samsung Galaxy F62 and the M51, they both have same kind of display, so it should be kind of same thing in the Samsung device. So this is the first time I'm comparing all these three smartphones in ones together, friends. In case if you want this kind of videos, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll do the different kind of display comparisons at once together. So first thing is that if you want to download live wallpapers, make sure to check the links in description. So make sure to subscribe and do support me, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos as soon as possible. So first, the Poco F3 has got the 120Hz Super AMOLED panel and Super AMOLED Plus. So this Samsung F62 and M51, they both use the Super AMOLED Plus panel. Both phones Super AMOLED and 1300 nits brightness. That's a very high brightness. I think X7 Pro has got maybe 1200 nits. Samsung has got only 400, I think 430 nits or 450 nits of brightness. So lowest brightness, and these two are having the more than 1000 nits of brightness. 120 Hz, 60 Hz. So that is a refresh rate display. So these are the few things: HDR10 plus certified, HDR10 certified, HDR10 or I think HDR10 plus certified in the Samsung. I'm not sure exactly. So these are the few basic specifications between all these three smartphones. So now let me try to open the video and start playing the video at same time in all the phones. So right now I'm playing the same video in all the three smartphones with full maximum brightness, as you can see, friends. So all the phones are with the maximum brightness, and do let me know in the comments below which display you felt the best as well in terms of the viewing angles and watching everything. So let me try to bring a camera a little bit close to the phones. As you can see, friends, all the phones are having the full kind of brightness. And if you notice, the Poco F3 will be having the small display, small punch hole, sorry. And here is the Realme X8 Pro. And top one is the Samsung Galaxy M51 and the Samsung Galaxy F62 as well. You can see all the displays from the top angle as well, so which looks really good. All the phones are having same kind of high brightness right now. So for me, it looks kind of good on the Samsung display, friends. Definitely the Samsung panel is absolutely the winner. But still, in the Poco phones and in the Redmi phones, you do have this kind of special features, which is called the video filters, so which will be helping a lot. But still, some people love the Samsung display only. As you can see from the viewing angles from all the degrees. So for more this kind of interesting comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do support me by subscribing and sharing my channel, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos as soon as possible. So definitely I do need all of your support. So that's it, friends. This is a quick display comparison. So mostly I do like all the three smartphones, but first position Samsung, next Poco F3, then Realme X7 Pro. So this is a zero brightness level test, so which will be very much useful for you in case if you are traveling and if you want to use a very low brightness in your phone. So that's why every time I do the display comparison, I'll be doing definitely the low brightness test as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.